What is up YouTube? Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, tech, and life. And I am so excited to bring you guys this early unboxing. As I mentioned in the previous video, I did an early review and unboxing of the ADIDAS Originals Dragon Ball Goku. I also did an early unboxing and review of the ADIDAS Originals Dragon Ball Frieza Young 1. And just recently, I did an early unboxing of the ADIDAS Originals Dragon Ball Cell Profire, and these are 3 sneakers already. I am excited to add another one to the mix. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, this is my early unboxing and preview of the Dragon Ball Z ADIDAS Originals GOHAN, brought to you by my friends from Outsole Academy. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new ADIDAS ZX500 Remastered. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and hit the link down below to join the rest of, so you can see the rest of the mechanics. Go! Every month, Dragon Ball and ADIDAS is releasing a set of sneakers that is an iconic scene between a battle between like a hero and a villain in the series. The first month, we got Goku and Frieza. This was the first set of sneakers from the collaboration, of course, from their intense battle over at Planet Namek. They used 2 silhouettes. This is the ZX500 RM Remastered. This is the ADIDAS Young 1. So this was the first set. The second set, of course, is another battle. This time around, it features one of the most villainous enemies in the series. Of course, I'm talking about Cell. Cell is well, he absorbs powers and eats people. So, really dangerous guy and almost killed everybody if it weren't for Gohan ascending to Super Saiyan 2 and being helped by Goku with that insane double Kamehameha that they did in the anime series. So this is part 1. This is the 3rd sneaker, and I'm very happy and excited to bring you guys my unboxing of the 3rd sneaker. Of the 4th sneaker rather. This is the 4th sneaker in the series. This features Gohan, the son of Goku. Let's get to the unboxing. So as you guys see, it is your typical ADIDAS Originals Dragon Ball Z box. You have the ADIDAS Originals logo here with the Dragon Ball Z logo here at the front. It's just nice to note that the Dragon Ball here has the ADIDAS logo in the middle. Pretty cool. Now on the other side, you have that emo look of Gohan looking like far away with his costume, of course, given to him by Piccolo. This was actually used to be the attire of Piccolo, his master, back then. It says here 4 stars because, again, this is the 4th sneaker in the collection. And if you go to the other side, this is the part of the art that you get when you complete all the boxes. It actually looks like a really nice kick-ass poster. So this is supposed to go just below, I think, of Cell. So we will be stacking the boxes later so you guys can see what it looks like. Now, on the other side, you have the rest of the product information. It says here, ADIDAS Originals Deerupt Runner, and the price tag is 6,500 pesos, making it the most affordable pair of the collection to date. Because as you guys remember, Frieza I think was 8,000, Goku was 10,000, and Cell, the Profire one, sold for 9,300 or now 9,500. So let's get to the unboxing. So just like the other boxes, you slide it outwards and then you get to see what's inside. Now, this is the first time I'm ever seeing the shoe. I haven't seen it before. So this will be like the first initial reaction that we get as I open the shoe and reveal it to you guys and to me for the first time. And this, oh wow, this is it. This is the ADIDAS Originals Dragon Ball Z Deerupt Runner Gohan. And wow, that is bright purple. Now, of course, the Deerupt Runner is one of the most, how do I say this, polarizing sneakers to date because of that mesh material, mesh net thing that they use to encase the sneaker. I'm sure that not everybody loves the implementation and the execution because it is really funky and polarizing. Now, it does look pretty plain, but you do actually, if you take a closer look, there are streaks of lightning inside the sneaker, inside the upper, which of course represents the streaks of lightning that Gohan was able to generate when he ascended into Super Saiyan 2 in his fight against Cell. So that is a sign of Gohan being able to become far more powerful than he actually is. And it's just nice that they were able to put it into the sneaker. Now, apart from the streaks of lightning, you know what? They really look like they're supposed to glow and be 3M. So we will test that out now. This is my phone. I will take a shot of this sneaker with flash just so we can verify if the streaks of lightning are 3M, because if they were, that would look really kick-ass and much better than it is if it weren't. So let's take the pic. Oh wow, guys, it is 3M. I don't know if you can see it from the picture, but I will be uploading it. So the streaks of lightning are actually 3M material, so they flash when they're hit with light. That's just a really nice added touch. Kudos to the Adidas Originals and the Dragon Ball team for adding that into the sneaker. Now, moving on to the rest, you have some sort of character here at the back. I will not pretend to know what that is. I don't know it yet, but it is in yellow, of course, inspired by the color yellow of Super Saiyan. So I have yellow stitching as well here along the collar of the sneaker. Now, if you take a look at the outsole, you do have that typical gum sole or rubber type of outsole that the Adidas Deerupt uses. For the insole, it uses the best insole ever made. Of course, I'm talking about the Ortholite pillowed insole that comes with every Deerupt sneaker that I just love to use. So it does come with that. So this makes it so much more comfortable without it. So make sure that you guys actually abuse this one. You can actually take it out of your Deerupts and put it in whatever shoe that you have, and you get so much better comfort and cushioning with this insole alone. Let's just take out the other pair. So this is the set. These are the two shoes. This is the pair of sneakers, which is basically your Adidas Originals Dragon Ball Gohan. And yeah, it might be a little hard to wear. I mean, it is purple shoes. Yeah, it will be a bit hard to wear. I have some outfits in mind, but I won't be, kidding you guys by saying that there's the easiest sneakers to wear on a daily basis. Apart from the sneakers, like what I mentioned in the Perfect Cell unboxing, the best thing about Dragon Ball series sneakers with the collaboration is that you have like more elements to the shoe. Just like the Cell version, you have like the wrapper with Gohan doing like a fierce uppercut on Cell, and Cell is like reeling back from the blow. It's the same one, guys, as the one with the Profeer set. So when the next set comes in, which if I'm not mistaken is Vegeta versus Majin Buu, it will be another art that's on the wrapper, featuring of course Vegeta and Majin Buu. And for the rest of the box, you have the familiar lightning streaks with the Dragon Balls inside of them. As far as initial impressions go, and I haven't put this on feet yet, I am impressed with the quality, with the value for money that you get with this pair, with the artistry, with the 3M strips inside that glow when it's hit with flash, with the overall vibe of it being part of the collection as one of the cheapest sneakers in the collection at 6,500. I am, of course, a bit wary about being able to get your ROI on this by wearing it often, because it is kind of hard to wear. But yeah, I'm sure you guys can figure it out if you end up copying this one. Let's do the count. We have 1. This is the Goku. We have 2. This is the Frieza. We have 3. This is the Profeer. And we have number 4. This is the Gohan Deerupt Runner. That's 4 sneakers from the collection. I am excited to complete the entire set as a Dragon Ball fan. Nothing will stop me from getting the Vegeta and the Majin Buu sneakers as well to add to the collection. Now at this point, again, I just want to give a shout out and huge thank you and mad props to the guys from Soul Academy who makes this early unboxing possible. This is in partnership with them, guys. I wouldn't be able to do this early unboxing and then the early review to share it with you if it weren't for them. So if you guys love my content, if you guys follow this vlog and you get value from it, please do show Soul Academy some love. If you are buying a sneaker, if you have a sneaker in mind, even if it's not the Dragon Ball series, please do pick it up from them if ever you have the chance. It would mean the world to me if you do. Let's support the business that supports this vlog. So that's it for our early unboxing of the Dragon Ball Z Gohan. I will be doing comprehensive on-feet reviews the day before the release. So mark your calendars, October 26. I will be dropping my full review for the Adidas Originals Dragon Ball Z Profeer Cell. as well as the Adidas Originals Dragon Ball Z Deerupt Runner Gohan. Both will go up on October 26. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel so that you know when the reviews go up on the vlog. And lastly, I will like to remind you that we are in the middle of a giveaway. We are giving away a brand new Adidas ZX500 RM in the triple white colorway. Link down below on how you guys can join, but you have to be subscribed, guys. You have to hit the notification bell, and you have to follow me on Instagram as well. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the double unboxing that we had for today. Peace, God bless, and again, guys, huge shout out and thank you to the awesome folks of Soul Academy. Peace.